Some days when I feel like the pressure is on, I keep on praying, hoping someday I'll make it. Yes, I wanna smile again. Okay, some days when I feel like the pressure is on, I keep on praying, hoping someday I'll make it. Yes, I wanna smile again. Living in this world, it not easy at all. Sometimes there is no one to answer your call, cause everyone I feel it, and them have them own crisis to deal with. The rich man say I feel the pressure, and the poor man I ask, will things get better? Yo, a pure frustration, even the youth with dedication can't get no job, juvenile, I feel the tension. As time goes by and I'm getting older, I'm feeling like the world is on my shoulder. Still I've got to do what I have to do. I have myself and my family to make it true. The hill is steep but me have to get over.